Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 101. So this is Unit 9. So we are on this Activity 2. Complete the reported sentences with what Jamie said. Okay, number 1, I love sport. Number 2, my favorite sport is basketball. Number 3, I'm playing in a match at the moment. 4, my team practices every day. So number 1, he said he, so this one should change, L-O-V-E-D, loved sport. So full stop behind here. And then number 2, so he said his, so my change to his favorite sport is changed to was basketball. Number 3, again he said I'm changed to he was, so he was, so this one is past continuous tense, so playing. He said he was playing in a match. So you can ignore at the moment. And then number 4, my team practices every day. So you can write he said his team might change to his team practiced every day. So next we go to activity 3. Complete with the correct indefinite pronouns. So I maximize it a bit. Yesterday was a very bad day. At school, I couldn't find my English book anywhere, so my teacher was angry with me. At break, I looked in my bag for my snack, but there was there. So number 2, nothing. I went to the school canteen to buy to eat. So this is something. To buy something to eat, but I didn't have any money. In the afternoon, we have PE, physical education. I couldn't find my trainers. So this trainers is shoes, are shoes and not person. So I couldn't find my trainers, I think. So number 4, we have someone. Moved them. Then I hurt my foot, so I couldn't do. So number 5, anything. When I got home, I needed. So number 6, somewhere. Quiet to do my homework, but my brother was playing loud music. There was, so number 7, nowhere, quiet in the house. Then I couldn't do my maths homework, and there was no one to help me. What a day. So basically this is a very bad day for him. So that's it for this page. So we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 101. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram robot for free.